Have you ever wondered what would happen to your body if you hung on a crossbar every day for 10 minutes? Well, bar hanging is one of the most popular and accessible exercises, known for its positive impact on the spine and hand strength development. Many believe that it can even increase a person's height. In this video, we'll explore the science behind this practice and how it can benefit your body. Make sure to watch until the end to discover how it can improve your health and fitness. Let's get started. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, bar hanging is an easy exercise to learn. You don't need to break any world records to reap its benefits. Even just hanging from the bar for a minute each day can provide tremendous advantages. First, let's take a look at how hanging on a crossbar affects your body. When you hang, your body weight pulls down on your spine, which can decompress the spinal discs. This can help alleviate back pain and improve your posture. Strengthens various muscles. Hanging on a bar is not only a fun activity, but it also has several physical benefits. This simple exercise engages various muscle groups in your body, such as your chest, back, arms, and shoulders, depending on your grip and additional exercises. Additionally, hanging on the bar can increase your shoulder flexibility and grip strength, which can be beneficial for everyday activities such as carrying groceries or opening jars. If you're looking to strengthen specific muscles, you can adjust your hanging technique. For instance, performing pull-ups while hanging on the bar can help you build arm strength, while hanging with leg raises can help you develop your abdominal muscles. Hanging on a horizontal bar can also aid in growth, particularly for teenagers whose intervertebral joints respond well to stretching. In addition to its physical benefits, hanging on the bar can also be an indicator of your overall physical condition. If you're unable to achieve your desired hang time, it may indicate underlying problems that need to be addressed. On the other hand, if hanging seems too easy, you can intensify your workout by adding different exercises such as leg raises or trying out different hand positions. Leg raises, for instance, involve curling the spinal column with hip joint flexion, which is an effective way to strengthen your core. In summary, hanging on a bar is a simple but effective exercise that can provide numerous physical benefits. From building muscle strength to improving your overall physical condition, this activity can be a valuable addition to your workout routine. So next time you're at the gym or in a playground, consider trying out this exercise and see how it can benefit your body. Improves your circulation and stretching. Hanging is not only a great stretching exercise, but can also benefit your circulation. When you hang, gravity pulls your blood down towards your feet, which increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain and other vital organs. This effect can help improve your overall health and well-being. Furthermore, the opposing forces of your palm's grip on the bar and the gravitational pull of the rest of your body make this exercise effective for stretching and strengthening various muscles in your body, including those in your back, arms, shoulders, and abdominal region. However, it's important to note that hanging isn't suitable for everyone. If you have a pre-existing medical condition or injury, you should consult with your doctor before trying this practice. It benefits the spine. The benefits of bar hanging are especially evident when it comes to the spine. Regular bar hanging can prevent spinal diseases and improve overall spinal health. It strengthens the muscular corset, improves posture, enhances blood circulation in the vertebrae, and relieves stress from the intervertebral discs. Furthermore, it helps to eliminate pain in different parts of the spinal column, improve back flexibility, and stabilize the correct location of the vertebrae. Bar hanging not only treats existing spinal diseases, but also prevents future ones, making it an excellent exercise for people with a sedentary lifestyle. It is particularly beneficial for those with conditions such as osteochondrosis, kyphosis, lordosis, and ischemia of the intervertebral discs. Hanging on the bar with osteochondrosis can alleviate the load on the spine, prevent vertebrae displacement, and reduce pain. On the other hand, hanging on the bar with scoliosis can correct the existing curvature, improve the condition of the intervertebral discs, and alleviate compression of the nerve endings. Flexion on knee joints. When performing leg raises on the bar, flexion is often added at the knee joint. The primary purpose of this exercise is to work out the abdominal muscles. When the abdomen is retracted, the transverse abdominal muscles are engaged, while rotating upward from shoulder to shoulder works the oblique abdominal muscles. Other muscles also work in dynamics, including the forearm muscles, lats and rhomboid muscles, biceps and quadriceps of the thighs, and the muscle responsible for straightening the spine. To strengthen the abs, you can bring the knees to the chest, but this movement should not rely on throwing the legs up, but rather on the contraction of the abs. To engage the oblique abdominal muscles, move the raised knees from one shoulder to the other. A more advanced option for lifting the legs is to raise the toes to the crossbar. This movement requires bringing the pelvis to the ribs using the strength of the abs, and then rotating the shoulders to bring the toes to the crossbar. Hanging on one arm is a more complex option that can be mastered for sports interest or as a necessary element for acrobats or rock climbers. Such training can also help increase hand strength to impressive levels. Regular bar hanging is a simple and accessible exercise that provides numerous benefits, including those comparable to pull-ups, dips, and gymnastic ring exercises. By regularly performing bar hanging, you can improve the condition of your spine, strengthen your abs, develop hand and back muscle strength, combat hypodynamia, and potentially increase your height. Whether you're looking to address existing health concerns or simply improve your overall physical condition, mastering the bar hanging exercise is a great first step. So, if you're interested in trying hanging, start with short intervals and gradually work your way up to longer periods. Remember, consistency is key. And don't forget to explore other videos on this channel for more helpful health and fitness content. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest videos and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.